Good morning to all of you. Once again, welcome. Now we are having a next question is here, example 11.1. Which example is here? Example is here 11.1. So, beta, whenever we are going to discuss the example 11.1, then what to do there in this case? You see, they are asking you IUPSC name. What they are asking you? IUPSC name. Okay, you see, please, number one, first one. I think we know very well which side functional group is here. From that side only we are going to start the numbering. Here 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now you see at the second, what is going to happening over there? Second position, third position and fourth position. Substituent is there or not there? Now CH3 is called methyl. This is also called methyl. This is called chloro. Alphabetically, which is coming first? Cl is coming first. So that is why what you are going to write over there is name 4 chloro. Okay, because at the fourth position chlorine is here. Then hyphen 2, 3 dimethyl, 2, 3 dimethyl, then pentane 1-ol. Okay, pentane 1-ol. I hope it's clear to you, to all of you. Okay, students. Now after that, you please see, you must see the next one. Okay, next one you see what they told you. This one. In the next one, what is going to happening over there? See, I think it's clear from the structure. These are the ethers, as I told you in the class also. Now here, in this case, see here, this is oxygen. I will make it here better for you people. You see, CH3, CH3, then oxygen, CH2, then it is CH3. You must see, all of you. I told you, you have to see the where the less number of carbon, that one will act as an alkoxy group. Here number of carbons are 1, 2 and 3. Here only 2. So this is a alkoxy group. ये क्या बनेगा? Alkoxy. And numbering will start from there 1, 2 and 3. And second position पे क्या है आपके पास? You must see, बेटा alkoxy ऐसे नहीं आएगा. Just wait. This is a alkoxy. Clear? Now at the second position, what is here? Ethoxy, na? So its name will be 2-ethoxy. What will be its name? 2-ethoxy, then propane. 2-ethoxy propane. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, student. Now all of you see the next one. Next one is here, this one. CH3 is there along with the OH group. Here is a benzene ring. I have written there. Okay. Then here CH3. Here is also CH3, and here is OH. Now tell me the numbering. From where we will start the numbering? I think all are you knowing very well. We are always preferring the functional group. Okay. Then here it is numbering. You see, all of you please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now what you are going to write over there? 2, 6. 2, 6. Then dimethyl, and this is called phenol. Clear? 2, 6 dimethyl phenol. We understood, because OH is directly attached to the benzene ring, that is why it is a phenol. Clear? Okay, now you see next one. All of you, now you can see next one. After that, next one. In the next one, what is going to happening over there? You must see here. This is a NO2, and this is O C2H5. Now tell me, this is also ethers. Oh, this is also a ether beta. Now you have to see the smaller group. What to do? See the smaller group will act as an alkoxy. So here only 2 carbon. So this is a alkoxy group. Okay. Then from where the numbering is going to start? But NO2 is called nitro. OC2H5 is called ethoxy. E is coming first alphabetically. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its name will be 1 ethoxy, 2 nitro, cyclohexane. Clear? What is there? 1 ethoxy, then 2 nitro, after that cyclohexane. Understood my point, beta? Okay. Now after that, beta, we are having one in-text question. What is here? One in-text question is here. Now in-text question is this one, 11.3. Now what they are asking, name the following compound according to the IUPAC systems. Okay, then what to do there in this case? In this case, what to do there? You see the number 1. Number 1 I am writing over here and you try to write its name. Here I am writing this one. You must see CH3, then CH2, then CH, CH2Cl, then CH, upside is CH2OH, CH3, and here is one more CH3. ये वाला कंपाउंड कर रहे हैं बेटा, दिस वन. नाउ इन दिस केस what is going to happening over there? We have to prefer, what to prefer there? We have to prefer the functional group always. क्या करना बेटा हमने prefer? Yeah, we have to prefer always the functional group. And whenever now you see all of you, where is the functional group is locating over here? Yes, you tell me where the functional group is locating over here. Here is. So that is why numbering is going to start from where? Numbering is from there only 1. Okay, then after that this is 2, then 3, 4 and the 5. Clear? Now this is there, it means this one is act as an substituent. Okay, and this one is also act as an substituent. And I will tell you this CH2Cl as a substituent, its name is chloromethyl. Okay, what do you call it? Chloromethyl. Is that clear? And same way I will tell you. Now after that beta, after that you are having one more is there. Just wait, I have made it little bit wrong. इसको एक मिनट रुको बेटा, just wait for a minute. यहाँ पर क्या था आपके पास? Here it is CH3, CH, CH3. Okay, then here so whenever we are talking about what we are talking about, we are talking about the substituent. ये ऐसे आपके पास कंप्लीट बन जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ सेकंड पोजीशन पे क्या लगा आपके पास? हाउ मेनी कार्बन इज हियर? 1, 2 and 3. And see this 1, 2 and 3. So what do you call it? Okay, you may call it 2 पे लगाया ना, you may call it isopropyl. What do you call it? देखो इधर, इसको आप क्या बोल सकते हो? ये है ना, CH3 is there, then CH3 is there. You may call it isopropyl. Why isopropyl? Because to the carbon, to same alkyl group is attached. Okay students? Or you may write it the another way also. Another way कैसे? You can start its numbering separately. Separately means 1 is here, 2 is here. Or you may write it 1 methyl, 1 पे क्या है, मिथाइल एंड इथाइल. नाउ आई विल राइट इट्स बोथ द नेम प्रॉपरली. ओके, यू मस्ट सी ऑल ऑफ यू its name. It's one of its name is, okay, one of its name is, I'm writing over here, you must see all of you, 3 chloro then methyl, 3 chloromethyl, then 2 iso propyl, then pentane 1-ol, then pentane 1-ol. Is that clear to you? This is its first name, beta. I will write one more name, might be you understood that one. 3 chloro, then methyl, okay, 3 chloro, then methyl, then after that 2, start the bracket. In the bracket you will write 1 dash methyl, then ethyl, okay, then after that pentane 1-ol, pentane 1-ol. Actually beta, this isopropyl, whatever we are writing over there, this is a commonly we are saying isopropyl. To the isopropyl you can write like this way also, 1 dash methyl ethyl also. Is that clear to you? Okay student, now you see next one. I hope so. Now next one you can do it properly. Now in the next case there are 2 alcohol group. What is there? There are total 2 alcohol group. Now we'll see from where we'll start the numbering, where the longest chain will be formed. So see all of you, here 1, here it is 2, here 3, here it is 4. Okay, just wait student, 1 minute रुको बेटा, just wait, I am writing it again. See all of you please. This is here in this case, this is number 1, this is number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. You can write 6 here also or here also, anywhere 6. Is that clear to you to all? Now after that you can see the substituent. What you can see? The substituent. Here is one substituent, here is one substituent at the second position. Okay, then one more substituent is there at the position number 5. What is it? CH3. So what you will write there? 2, 5, then dimethyl. Yes, 2, 5, dimethyl. How many total carbon is here? 6. Hex. Okay, then hexane 1, 3, diol. Why diol? Because one alcohol is, why 1, 3? One is at the OH group is first position, and one OH is at the third position. Clear? Okay, then after that beta we are having a third one. Which one is here? Third one is here. In a third one, what to do there? Simply OH is here and Br is here, this one. So numbering will prefer the functional group. Here is 1, 2, where the bromine is attached, that carbon is 3, 4, 5, 6. So what to do there beta here? It's very simple na. It came 3 bromo. Okay beta. What will come there? 3 bromo cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol. And student just remember, this is not a phenol. ये phenol नहीं है. Phenol होता तो benzene ring होती इसमें. Okay. I hope you are getting my point. Okay. After that, number 4. You must see all of you. Number 4. In the number 4, what is going to happening there? Now double bond is also there, and the functional group is also there. So beta we will try to give the lowest number to the OH group. So it's better to start the numbering from the double bond side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just wait. Okay, you see, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is it clear to you to all? Now, what will be its name? Yeah, it's very simple. Na? Its name is hex. Then 1-ene. Why 1-ene? Because between 1 and 2 double bond is here. Between 1 and 2 there is a double bond. 1-ene. Then at third position OH is here. Then 3-ol. Clear? Okay. Then after that you see the next one, last one. You must see the last one, number 5. Okay, number 5 is here. That is CH3, C double bond, CH3, CBr, CH2OH. Okay, now into that I think numbering should be start from the functional group side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now substituent is at the second position Br, third position CH3. Alphabetically B is coming first, so its name is 2-bromo, then 3-methyl, 2-bromo, then 3-methyl but-2-ene, but-2-ene 1-ol. Is that clear? But-2-ene 1-ol. Why it's like that? But-2-ene 1-ol? Because double bond is here between 2 and 3. That is why but-2-ene. And at the first position there is a OH group. Clear hai? I hope you are getting my point. So by this we have solved all these questions of IUPSC naming of NCERT. Thank you.